Yesterday, we got our first order from Etsy. I remember I refreshed the page twice when I received it because I could not believe we actually got our first order. This one is going out to Erica. She purchased our box set of 6 rose candles. Here, I'm just pulling out our blush card and one that includes some candle care tips. This order is going all the way to Seattle. I live in Toronto, so it's really exciting to be sending out our first package that far, and also a bit nerve-wracking because our candles are hand-poured and I want to make sure they make it in one piece. Here, I'm just taping up the sides to make sure that it fits perfectly into the box. Then I wrote a personalized handwritten note and placed all the cards into the box. I also added a free sample of one of our scents, Love is in the Air, which smells like roses with light notes of jasmine, along with a match set so she can light up her candle. And it's complete. Thanks, Erica.
If you're scrolling right now and you see me, just say hi. You don't have to follow me. You don't have to like the post. But if you just say hi to me, it'll make my day better.
Hi babe! So ito na yung second part ng craft pouches. So ayan, yung top part naman is ginupit ko lang yung dalawang side, and ayan, pag natupi mo siya, gugupitin mo rin yun. Tapos yung natira is gugupitin mo rin yung dalawang gilid para may konting design. Tapos lalagyan ko lang ng double-sided tape para ayun yung pinaka-seal niya, and then ayan na siya. Sobrang nice nito kasi napaka eco-friendly niya. And super cute pa kasi bagay na bagay siya sa VML kasi pink yung color niya. So, kasya dito yung mga 1 to 2 pieces na order.
Hey guys, run to your nearest 99-cent store. I found these super cute mugs that are available in this glittery pink or blue. I took one home to decorate for myself. Oh, and the best part is that they're only $2. So I grabbed some white permanent vinyl and it took less than 5 minutes to make. These would be perfect to sell on Etsy or to give to your friends this upcoming Valentine's Day. Anyway, I thought these came out so cute. What do you guys think?
If we sold these for $15-20, would you buy it?
On my face, I attack that.
Check it out.
I heard TikTok supports small businesses. Check out my Brandy Great.
Blue cheese, I swear I'm a
We do not care.